Diksha and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys most effective stretches that can help you in getting your front over splits fast. I have posted a video before and you guys loved it, so I thought of making a new one with new and improved stretches that can really help you a lot. So let's get started. So first we are just going to start with some simple stretches, starting with the pike stretch, and this stretch is very helpful for getting your over splits because to do an over split you need a lot of flexibility, mainly in your hips and hamstrings. So first we are going to do this with the toes pointed. And now we are going to repeat it with our toes flexed. Now join both of your legs together to do a butterfly stretch, and in this stretch try to push your thighs towards the ground as far as you can. Now put one leg over top of the other and then try to push the top leg towards the ground. We are going to repeat it with the other leg as well. The next stretch that we are going to do is called a pigeon pose, and to do this keep one leg bent and the other one straight, and if you feel stretch over here just stay here, but if not then try to reach over top of your bent leg. And one more thing is that to do an over split you should already be able to do a full split, but if you can't do it then don't worry, I have a video on that which I have linked down in the description. Now remaining in your pigeon pose, try to bend the back leg as well. For the next stretch we are going to do a lunge with our elbows on the ground. Now repeat it with the chest up. Now we are going to repeat all of these stretches with the other leg, starting with the pigeon pose, and if you don't feel stretch here, try to reach over top of the bent leg. Now bend the back leg as well. And now go into your lunge with your elbows on the ground. Now repeat it with your chest up. For the next stretch, we are going to hold a split, and like I mentioned earlier, if you can do a split, then I have a video on that which I have linked down in the description. And also you can see my left leg is not more flexible than the right leg, so I can do a full split with the left leg. So that's why I suggest to do all of these stretches with both the legs. And now we are going to repeat the split with the other leg. For the next stretch, you need to get some pillows. So as you probably guessed, we are going to hold the over split, but if you can't do it, don't worry. If you follow along to this routine every day, you will definitely see an improvement. And once you get your over splits, try to cross your arms. You can also try this with 2 or more pillows so that you will feel an even deeper stretch in your hips, and you can also reach over top of your front leg. So I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Bye.